Start your makeup journey with me in this Makeup Made Easy series. And this is episode 2. In this episode, we'll discuss some guidelines that you can follow. Please note that what I'll share are guidelines only, but I highly recommend that you follow them for now and experiment in the future. Let's start. So for the first guideline, skincare is non-negotiable as your first steps. In episode 1, we list down all the skincare products, the basic skincare products that you'll need. So you should do them before doing your makeup. The second guideline is that cream or liquid products should be applied before powder makeup, in the exception of B09 or setting/fixing sprays. You should apply wet products first before putting powder. Although some makeup artists have different techniques where they apply concealer or color corrector and then a hint of powder, then foundation. But those are advanced techniques. So for now, follow cream or liquid products first before powder makeup. The third guideline is after your cream products, you should set your face with setting powder before doing other powder makeup. The fourth guideline is you can do your eye and eyebrow makeup anytime after skincare. But I usually prefer doing them after powder makeup. So skincare, cream products, powder makeup, then eye and eyebrow makeup. But if you notice, some makeup artists do the eye and eyebrow makeup right after skincare. If you're doing glam, soft glam, or creative makeup, it's better to do the eye and eyebrow makeup earlier since it's one of the highlight of your makeup look. Doing them first will give you time to notice anything to improve later. It will also set your overall makeup look, so if you do them first, it will help you decide what blush and lip color to choose. The fifth guideline is to use setting spray after powder makeup, so that your cream products underneath and the powder on top will blend or melt together. Another thing is the finishing spray, but you apply that last, and the purpose of finishing spray is to prolong your makeup. So setting spray is to melt the cream and powder makeup together, while the finishing spray is to prolong your makeup. If you need to choose between the two, I'd recommend the setting spray. And there are setting sprays that already help your makeup last longer. The sixth guideline is to trust the process and do your makeup multiple times. That way, you can note what's good about your makeup and what to improve. And the seventh guideline is to enjoy the process. You can express yourself through makeup. The time you spend doing your makeup is your me time. Remember, makeup is enhancing who you already are. So you should love the person you are before and after makeup. Save this video for future reference if you want to go back with the guidelines we discussed. In episode 3, we'll do actual application of makeup from start to finish. Follow so you'll get notified once it's uploaded. See you in the next episode.